ko. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe. No fi way. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe.
Hello everyone, my name is Millicent Kudah and I welcome you all to Nyenufiala channel once again. I would first of all like to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your sharing comments and advices, for subscribing to our channel, and I would like to use this opportunity to encourage you all to subscribe and click on the notification icon so that as soon as a video is uploaded, you will be notified. In today's video, we are going to learn some basic expressions in Ewe. Everyday expressions in Ewe Language. When you meet someone for the first time, or the person has traveled and has returned, you tell the person, "Reason," meaning you are welcome. If the people are many, you say, "Miawoe," which means you, in plural, are welcome. You are welcome. They will respond, "You," which simply means thank you. If you want to ask the person's name, you say, "Ŋkɔwò," meaning what is your name? The person responds, for instance, "Ŋkɔnyee Millicent," meaning my name is Millicent. We don't say ŋkɔnyee. It's a wrong construction. If you want to know where the person comes from, you ask, "Afika necho," meaning where do you come from? The person responds, for instance, "Macho Kliko," meaning I come from Kliko. If you want to ask for water, you say, "Madekuku nachim manu," meaning please give me water to drink. It is wrong to say, "Madekuku namchi manu." If you thirst for water, you say, "Chikola wiyam," meaning I am thirsty. It is wrong to say "Chikola nyewu." If you want to complain about hunger, you say "Dola wiyam," meaning I'm hungry. It is wrong to say "Dola nyewu." If you want to say "Juaiti," you say "Melanudum," meaning I am eating. If you want to say you are full, you say "Medifo" or "Medifodo," meaning I am full. If you want to express that you are not well, you say "Nyalama malakopongku" or "Meladolem," meaning I'm not feeling well or I'm sick. If it's your head, you say "Paladuyam," meaning my head aches. If it's your stomach, you say "Domaladuyam," meaning my stomach aches. If you want to sympathize with a friend who is in trouble, you say "Baba" or "Babanao," meaning sorry. If you want to give an excuse, you say "Madota flachi," meaning excuse me. If you do not like something, you say "Numa madoa jijonam o," meaning I do not like that. If you like something, you say Nusia doa jijonam, meaning I like this. For instance, if you like akpla and okra soup, you say akpla plefa tridechi doa jijonam, meaning I like akpla and okra soup. If you are feeling cold, you say volewoyam, meaning I'm feeling cold. If you are feeling warm, you say fifyalewoyam, meaning I'm feeling hot or warm. If you want to visit the ladies or the gents, you say Made asi goma mava or Mayimugodo mava, meaning I'm going to the washroom. If you are asking of a price of something, you say Madakuku wonanie or nanie, meaning how much is it? If you want to ask for a discount, you say Madakuku deji, meaning please reduce the price. If you want to ask for a bonus, you say Madakuku de aji, meaning please add a bonus. If you are leaving to your house, you say Madakuku maju, which means please, I'm leaving. If you want to say goodbye, you say Hadenye, which means goodbye. This brings us to the end of this lesson. This lesson was focused on the basic expressions in Ewe, just to help us boost our interaction with our friends and families. So if you have some expressions to be translated into Ewe, you can kindly put them in the comment section so that in our next video, we'll address them for you. Thank you.
Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe. No fiwe. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abaviola tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe.